In this next section, we'll be doing a detailed walkthrough of our Web2Print online design engine. If you want to test a demo for yourself after this presentation, you can find a number of examples available to you on our website at www.printlinks.com. With our system, there is little to no setup required beforehand, so you can deploy and be making your first online sales generally within the first week of purchase. In our library, we have well over 20,000 product templates, and for each we have close to 30 million images available. Customers can annotate each image, typeset, and see instantly in their browser what they are designing. They're also able to add instant custom QR codes. Our custom QR code module outputs files that are dynamic, borderless, colorable, scalable, and encoded for multiple formats such as vCard, email, or mobile. As a printer, you'll also receive real-time notifications for all activity in the system. You'll have detailed admin reports on order volume, as well as access to full customer billing and shipping data. All designs are stored in your library forever, so you'll always have access to past orders and proofs, which are available to you in PDF format. So let's take a look at the interface and the customer experience. The first step is choosing their product. While there are many available, for this presentation we'll be building a simple business card. So let's take a look at the interface and the customer experience. The first step would be the customer visiting your website and choosing their product. As you can see, there are many available to them, but for this example, we'll be building a simple business card. Once they've selected their product, they can now search for a relevant image, either by searching for an image or by browsing image categories. For this example, we'll be building a card for a dog grooming organization, so I've typed in some dog relevant keywords, which has brought up over 17,000 image results. Hovering over the thumbnail gives a larger high-res JPEG preview of the image. Once they're happy with the image they've chosen, they simply click on it to enter the designer. From here, they can easily scroll down and annotate the image with their text, choose fonts, and choose text effects such as bold, underline, and shadow. All the text updates on the card in real time. If they want to modify the background image, there's a number of advanced special effects available, such as flip on the horizontal vertical axis, brightness, saturation, the usual Photoshop style effects. As you can see, clicking on the color palette, we've now changed the image to green. And if they want to change the layout of the text, they just use the layout slider at the top. So this is a pretty good business card, but it's missing one thing, a logo. So if they click on the logo engine on the bottom left, they can now build the logo by either choosing from the image library or uploading their own files. To add files to their library, they would simply drag and drop images to the upload box from their computer or mobile device. And as you can see, the logo is now an image in the background library. The red box with green arrow allows them to do in-browser cropping. So if they just wanted to isolate the fire hydrant or the Bark Avenue text, they'd be able to do so. Once they're done with their changes, they just click Save and the image is saved to their custom library. Back in the designer, they can now increase the size and drag and drop to position it on the card. The green constraint box does cap out at 360 dpi, so you'll never get a bad non-print ready file, even if the file they send to you is of a lower resolution. And once they've finalized their logo and text, they're now ready to continue with their design. So for this example, we're going to add a one color backside. So simply click on the second side button, which will bring up a window of the type of images you can add, be it full color from the library, custom, or for this example, a black and white image. And they can modify the backside in a similar fashion to the front. Once they've finalized their design, they click Add to Cart and they go to the Proof Approval screen. From here, they would choose their pricing and the quantities you've set for them. The best thing about this process is that it empowers your customers to do it themselves without having to involve you at every step, unless they really want to. Once they proceed to the checkout, shipping calculations are done automatically, as are quantity sets, so you have full control over what all your rates are. Once they've completed their purchase, they can be redirected back to the place of your choice, such as a landing page or your home page, to direct them to buy more products from you. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to schedule a more in-depth demo, you can contact us via our website at www.printlinks.com or by phone or email. We'd love to hear from you. We hope you have an outstanding day and happy printing.